Oh my god, my bags. Jesus, I did not realize you could see them that much. It's currently like 9:30. It took me a long time to figure out how I'm gonna rearrange my room, and I hope the way I want to do it like works. My room is like super gross, and I love watching Clean With Me's, but at the same time, like, I'm not trying to like show off how crusty I am. So what I'm probably gonna do anyways is like clean up before I move around my furniture, just to make it easier on myself. And I'm probably not even gonna try to film myself cleaning, because that's honestly gonna be a bitch, and I'm gonna play music and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done cleaning, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna set it up. So I cleaned up a little. I don't really give, like, I'm over cleaning now. When I rearrange my room, I start by cleaning it, and then I get bored of that, and then I'm just like, fuck it, I want to rearrange my room now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you what it looks like now. It's like super gross, and like I still have shit from like where I dyed my hair everywhere. So there's like bowls full of hair dye in them, and I know that's like gross as fuck, but like, this is my life. This is my life, and I just didn't wash them out because I thought I was still gonna need it. So, but yeah, it's a fucking mess. MTV Cribs, here's my room. This is the before. It's dirty, so like ignore that shit. But I'll show you what it looks like now, I guess, because I like to see transformation. So here we go. This is my door. It's cute or whatever. It's got some hats on it. Got my shoes, a trash can, a fat ass trash bag, a tapestry, and it has a stain on it. And I don't know where that even came from, but I got little coat racks. Like, it's a little crusty looking because it's like bare because I took stuff down. I got a side table with hella drinks on it. Sorry about it. I'm thirsty. Here's my bed. It's all my sheets are in the washer right now, so like that's why it looks like this, I guess. There's like shit on the walls, you know, like curtains and shit. That shit's coming down because I'm over it. Here is me, bitch. Oh, here's my closet. It's a little crust. This is my desk. It's also a little crust because there's hair shit all over it. Like bleach, pink purple hair dye, cleaner for this shit. Freaking 1,000 cups, because I always have 1,000 cups. Literally a piece of floss. Like, I'm disgusting. Here's this window. Like, it looks so, like, I look like I live in a crack house. I'm sorry. Got a little bench, got some little pillows I need to put back on my bed. The dresser's cool or whatever. It's cute or whatever. I built that shit myself. I also built that shit myself. We're just gonna start fucking organizing, bitch. And if I do something I want to film, I'll film it, but I'll show the end result. I got some cups on there because I gotta go throw them away, so just ignore that. But that's how it looks so far. It's not centered because like I need to still open my door, but I like it. Oh, she's just chilling in the middle of the room. But I also made my bed, so that way it's a little darker where I sleep, because it used to be like right here in this fat ass light. And my desk is gonna go right there too. I just haven't moved it yet because there's a lot of stuff on my desk. Like, the shoe rack is gonna go where my desk currently is. Right here, what I'm gonna do, since this wall is gonna be so big and blank, I'm gonna get a tapestry for it eventually, or like I'll put shelves up. I don't know, I'll do something. Right here's where I'm gonna do like a little cute entry thing. So I'm gonna have like, I have my hooks that I always use. I always put my jacket that I always wear right there. And the second hook's for my purse, and there's a little nail for my keys. But yeah, right here, I'm just gonna put that mirror, and I'm gonna make like a cute little entry thing. I literally have an empty jug of tea. Like, what? That's just a shit ton of stuff I have to get rid of and like sell. But I'll probably put like my laundry basket and like decorate it. But I gotta do something about this fat ass wall because it's a big ass wall. My tapestry is gonna go right here by my bed. I'm not sure what's gonna go there. But yeah, this is where we're at. It looks good. Let's just take a look at my fucking cat, dude. He's so pretty. Oh. He loves to sit here and stare at the squirrels. And he likes to think he can attack them, but he can't. Ever since I started letting him look out the windows, he broke out of our house basically. And like would run right past us and go straight to the neighbors. And like try to tackle squirrels, I guess. I'm taking out this trash. It's like fucking 20 degrees. Oh. Holy shit. I redid my eyebrows. But yeah, this is the final room. So here we go. Hey, wake up. The hat rack is still the same. Dresser is moved right here. Yeah, I don't even have the TV plugged in because there's not even an outlet on that wall. I don't really watch TV that much. I just usually watch like Netflix on my phone. It's got some shit around, you know? Like some flowers, a drawing or a printout of something I colored. A little light thing, like incense holder, like just like shit in here. Like look, like we just got that good shit. We just got that good shit in here. There's my National Honor Society thing. My closet looks the same. I'm definitely gonna be like fixing that, so just ignore it. But yeah, there's pool noodles in my boots. Don't judge me. That's still the same. Mirror is still here. I have yet to move it. We'll probably do it a different day because I just don't feel like fucking with it today. But my shoe rack is now right here by this window. Wow, that fucked. But there's a shit ton of stuff. Like that's a bag of clothes, bag of shoes, a fucking leather jacket, and some boots and shit that I have to get rid of. And the stuff in that little basket I have to get rid of. Those two I have to figure out where I'm gonna hang. Those I don't know where they're gonna go. But there's all my shoes and shit. This is the same. I put my bed in this corner and I put my tapestry right there. Look at my kitty. Hi, Floyd. Hi. You're in a video. Are you excited? Huh? I just poked you in your eye. I'm sorry. Okay, anyways. So yeah, I put my bed right here. And I just got all the same shit I always have. Side table. Amazing. Desk area is my favorite area. That's the whole reason why I rearranged this room to be like this, because I wanted it to be in this corner by this window because I can crack that window. And I don't know, it's just pretty. There's my ring light behind like my computer. I just put it there. And I got my little dollar store shelves. Printer, you know, got that good shit. And then by my door, since this is a fat ass blank wall, I have to figure out something to do with it. But there's me. Yeah, it's just like a little entryway thing. That shit right there, ignore it because I have to get rid of that shit. I don't know, I just haven't put it up yet, so just don't look at it. There's my broom because I'm doing one final sweep and I'm done with this. But yeah, oh my god, I'm knitting! This is what I'm wearing to the gym tomorrow. That's just why I put it there. What I always have is my green jacket. This is actually a jacket from when I worked as a lifeguard. I literally bought it from the water park I worked at because it rained hella hard sometimes and I needed a rain jacket. But yeah, my purse, my keys, the huge. I have to get a rug because like, as you can tell, it's hardwood and fucking cold. I guess that's the end of this vlog, so I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, hopefully I don't get copyrighted.